I'm Wafae El Fennouri, and I'm an application engineer. Today I'm going to present you with a study case. Simple example we did with an active antenna system. We used in this example an antenna that was designed by an engineer in Dassault Systèmes, used in CST software. It's an antenna that has 32 ports, and we worked in the high band. It's used for 5G. And for this example, we extracted the S parameters from electromagnetic simulation, and then we used them to extract the model of the antenna. Then we also extracted the model of the HPA. The characteristic of the HPA model came from measurements. It was a local measurement, so the HPA model can respond to the variation of impedances and coming from the antenna ports. And here we can visualize the gain curves as a function of the input power, impedance power wave. Those models were afterwards used in a schematic. Here we have the antenna that contains 32 ports that are directly linked to the 32 HPAs. Here we can see the number of the HPAs connected. And those HPAs are controlled by a CW source with a variation of phase and frequency. And here in the bar block, we did a variation of the scan theta angle in order to orientate the lobe of the antenna. After the simulation, we used the probes in order to visualize the capacities of the simulation, and we will go directly to the whiteboard in order to visualize the parameters. Here we have a visualization of the antenna. We can come and select a port and then visualize the curves corresponding to the PA linked to the antenna port. Here we have a graphic representing active impedances in a Smith chart corresponding to certain theta angle. And here we can visualize that the active impedances vary as a function of the theta angle. If we move here, the capacities of the power amplifiers, we have the output power, the power consumption, PIA, and output phase. And here they vary as a function of the carrier frequency. And of course, we can select another port to compare between the curves and the consumption, the curves of the power amplifiers. We can plot here radiation diagrams, either like this in Vision, or we can export the excitations presented to the ports of the antenna into CST in order to replot the radiation pattern in an electromagnetic environment like PST. So thank you for your attention, and don't hesitate to visit our website.